Hello friends, now I am going to show you a tutorial for other video tutorial because a brother comment on my this tutorial video. IDM used for lifetime licensable key Craig not needed 2014. A brother comment here, it doesn't shows up when playing or opening videos. So how to fix it? How to download with IDM, how to download YouTube video or other things with IDM. It is actually not a problem of IDM 7.1 version. It is actually the problem of your browser extension. So see here, when I open any video, watch any video, see here, I have ability for download any video. This menu, how to able to make this menu. You have to go to my channel tips and news. See here, you have to watch this tutorial how to download YouTube video in all device and browser 2014. If you watch this tutorial, you can use this button, use this menu for downloading. At first you have need this for IDM. Then you have to download the extension. I have already downloaded that download extension. It is for Google Chrome. It is for my Mozilla Firefox. So if you want to download, at first you have to go to this link. I see. At first you have to go to this link. Click skip this ad. Then download it. Extract this file. So now if you use Google Chrome, at first you have to click here, then click settings, then click extension. So here I have already set up, just deleted it. Then you have to click settings, show advanced settings, enable phishing and malware protection, uncheck this box, click extension. You just drop this file .crx file on here, click add. See here, it is added, it has added. Then just refresh it. Then click here to see how to download with IDM. Click here, download with IDM, start download. So easy. Now I'm going to show you how to download with IDM on Firefox. Just open your Firefox browser. It is opened. Then go to add-ons, click here and click add-ons. Then click this here, install add-on from file. Click here, then click the folder and just open it, then install now. It is automatically installed. You just enable, click enable and restart. It's restarted. Then go to youtube.com, open any video, auto cancel. See here, you can download from here. You can download from here, no problem. Just click download with IDM. If you want to download from here, just click here, start downloading. Well, it is already fixed. Thank you for watching my video. If you profitable from this video, just subscribe my channel for many useful tutorial, many unique tutorial. Thank you.